Hey guys, I just wanted to do a little reminder from yesterday. So don't forget, the last class that we were working on fixing our thesis and making sure that our third reason has a rebuttal to a counterclaim. So if we look back in here, remember this was our thesis that we were writing in our last class, which is pizza is the best dinner option because, and then we have our three reason, it tastes delicious, includes several necessary food groups, and is a crowd pleaser. Those were our three reasons, just like your thesis will have whatever you believe plus your three reasons. So one of those reasons, though, has to be a counterclaim. So here's the counterclaim. Some people say that pizza is unhealthy, right? Well, we do have a rebuttal to that because pizza includes several of the necessary food groups. Don't forget, the rebuttal is either it isn't true or it doesn't matter. So this one is saying it isn't true that it's unhealthy because look, pizza has several of the necessary food groups, right? It has tomatoes and bread, grains. Okay. So when you are writing your thesis, then we would have to move this part right here. That would need to be our third prong because each one of these is going to be a paragraph. Paragraph 1 is going to be about how pizza is delicious. That's why it's a good dinner option. Paragraph 2, based on this thesis, is that it contains all the necessary food groups. But remember, your counterclaim needs to be last, so this needs to be rewritten. And then it's a crowd pleaser. That should be moved up. So that should be your paragraph number 2. And then this should be your paragraph number 3. So if we were going to make this correct, we would flip this around and we would say and. So pizza is the best dinner option because it tastes delicious, is a crowd pleaser, and includes several of the necessary food groups. That way, this is paragraph 1, it tastes delicious, it's a crowd pleaser, is paragraph 2. And then our final paragraph, you would say, some people say it includes several necessary food groups. That would be what your thesis looks like. But then, let's put a period here. Your paragraphs, you'll have paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3 will say, some people say that pizza is unhealthy. However, that isn't true because it includes several of the necessary food groups. And then you would write the rest of your paragraph proving that it has the necessary food groups. So today your goal is just to make sure that you fix that part of your thesis, that your rebuttal is part of that before you move on to the next step. Okay? Good luck.